Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the watch face on AMAZFIT Balance 3. To change the watch face you need to go to the app, then go to device right here, and now you'll find watch faces. Then as you can see there are different watch faces that you can find here. And you can find different watch faces that are available here, but later I'll also show you some other things. So for now let's look here. When I click on view all watch faces, it's going to be a list of all available ones. Some of them are free and some of them are paid indeed. The paid ones are often like a little more interesting, but if you don't want to pay, you'll definitely find some cool free ones as well. There are also photo watch faces where you can set your own photo that you would like, or portrait watch face where you can set a portrait and edit it, and you can set up to 10 photos for one watch face. There are some customizable ones and stuff like that. Now I'll go to free releases, and yeah, they are pretty interesting here as well. Let's find, let's select this one. I think it's pretty interesting, but I may get lost in it. Let's do something else, or let's go here. And there are some, of course. Now let's select this one. I like it a lot. Now when you click on sync, it will be synchronized immediately onto your watch. Take a moment, and as you can see, there it is. Now what else can you do is you can actually download watch faces from the internet, and in order to do it you'll need to go to the browser and then search for AMAZFIT watch faces.com, like that. Then let's consent, let's accept the cookies, and then you should be able to find AMAZFIT Balance. And you can go to fresh or random or top. I'll go to top ones. It does have a few ads though, but I don't mind it as long as there are free ones available. When I click on free, it adds it to filter, so I don't have the paid ones. But of course, if you want the paid ones, feel free to also use them. And then also to the filters, you should add balance 3, so they are compatible with your watch. And now you'll find different watch faces available here, and I think I like this one, so I can set it. I just select it, then I can download it, and there are some well, sometimes I can't scroll properly. Okay, this is the one available. I'll need to click on it. Now I can open it. Hold on. Okay, now to apply it, you'll need to go to the app, to the Zepp app, go to home, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then find settings, click on about, and click on the Zepp app logo 7 times. Then it'll show you this, click on OK, and now go back to the main page that enabled developer mode, which later allows you to go to device, go to general, developer mode, and you'll find watch face. Then you can click on plus, and you can scan a QR code that was there actually. Wait, if I click on it, I think it would be easier to do it that way than the other things. So what I'll do is I'll go back to the AMAZFIT watch faces app, and I'll click on the QR code, then take a screenshot of it, and then I will go back to the Zepp app, click on scan, open gallery, and find that QR code. Oh, invalid zip file format. That's interesting. Okay, I tried a different watch face, and it's actually installing, so I believe it is going to work. There's also an option to install. I believe you can install a zip file with like a third-party app called AMAZFaces, AMAZFaces. Yeah, but this is like the most the best option, I think. And as you can see, it has applied this Golf moon. It's called the Golf Moon watch face, and that's how you can do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.